In this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to invest your money in real estate on the Keble app and also how to make money from real estate on the Keble app. Now, the Keble platform is available on both your web browser and on your mobile app. So you can go on your Play Store or App Store and search for Keble and download the app and go ahead to invest on the app. And in case you don't have an account on Keble, use the first link in the description of this video to create an account on Keble. Now, straight to the point, how do you invest your money on the Keble app and how do you make money from those investments? Let's go straight to the point. Now, as you can see right here on the screen, this is the overview page, like the home page. So this is the first thing you see once you open your account or once you go log into the app. This is the first thing you see. You'll see where you have your cash right here or your balances right here. So if you keep scrolling, let me click on this. You see that you have your total investment in Naira. So it will show you your total investment, that is how much you have invested in Naira. If you go to the next one, it will show you your total investment in dollars. That's USD, US dollars. It will show you the total amount right there. And then the next one is where it will show you your total cash in USD. That is the cash you have on the app that you have not invested. It will also show you right there. And then right here on this side of the screen, this is where you can see some of the things that you can do on the app. You can invest your money on the app. You can track your investment and you can also fund your wallet. So if you want to go ahead and invest in any of the properties available on this platform, just click on invest right here. If you want to track your investments, maybe you're already investing and you want to track how your investment is going, whether it is doing well or maybe it's not doing well, you can also monitor it right here. And if you also want to fund your wallet, maybe you want to transfer money from your bank account to your Keble account so that you can invest, then you need to fund your wallet. So I'll be showing you how to do all of these things in this video. Now, if you come below it right here, see where it says browse properties. Now, this is where you can find all of the different properties that you can invest in on the Keble platform. So you can see it right here. You have some investment in Liverpool in UK. You have one investment in Ibadan, that's in Nigeria. You have another one in Ibadan in Nigeria. And if you want to see everything, just click on where you have browse properties right here. So I'll click on it. Right here on the screen is where you can see the different investments that are available that you can invest your money in. So again, you have one investment in Liverpool, UK. If you want to invest in a property in the UK, you can do that right here. I also have another one in Ibadan, that's Nigeria. Another one in Ibadan, Nigeria. You have another one in Liverpool in UK too. And then you have another one in Lagos State. You also have another one in Lagos State right here, and so on. So you'll be able to find different properties that you can invest in on the Keble app. So let me go back to the overview page. I'll also show you how to invest in all of these properties and how to make money from them. So please make sure you keep watching. Now, if you scroll up again, this is where you can find the different ways you can invest your money. You can see it says explore investment opportunities. Now, there are three main ways you can go ahead and invest on the Keble app. Now, the first way is the direct investment, or you have direct invest. Now, what does that mean? This means that you choose real estate opportunities that fit your goals, including fixed income, equity, and debt offerings. What does that mean? So this means that if you want to go ahead and invest your money directly by yourself, all you just need to do is just go to the app, pick a property and enter the amount of money you want to invest, and make sure you have that money in your Keble account already. That means that you must have funded your Keble account before you go ahead to invest. So once you pick a property and you put in the amount you want to invest, you directly invest in that property. That's just the meaning of this direct invest. Now, the second one is auto invest. It says stay committed to your goals without the hassle of constant decision making every month. So what does this mean? This means that you can just set up an auto investment plan for any property on the Keble platform. So to do this, you just pick a property and then you enter the amount of money you want to be investing regularly or maybe every month. And let's say, for example, it's $100. So that means that if you want to invest $100 through the auto invest plan in any property, what Keble will do for you is that every month they will go into your wallet or into your account and take $100 and help you invest in that property. That's just it. So you don't need to be going to the app every month to invest the money. You don't need to go through that stress. Once you set it up, they will automatically help you invest that money every month. And the third way to invest on Keble is to buy a home. So you can see it says own a home or land with a flexible payment plan. So this one is for you if you are planning to buy a home for yourself, or maybe you are planning to buy a land. You can do that on the Keble app with flexible payment plan. So let's say, for example, instead of paying all the money at once, they will just tell you to pay maybe a particular percentage every month till your money is complete. So if you want to do that, you can go ahead on the Keble platform. So you can see right here, these are different ways you can invest on the Keble platform. Now, if you want to now go ahead and invest, where should you go? Now, if you want to go ahead and invest, just come here to where you have invest right here. And if you are using the app, just click on the invest menu. You see it at the bottom of the app right there. So just click on invest. Now as you can see right here, these are the 3 ways to invest that I just talked about. I talked about direct invest, where you just directly invest your money by yourself. I talked about auto invest, whereby you just create an automatic plan whereby they help you invest a particular amount of money every month automatically without you doing anything. And the third one is where you can buy a home with a flexible payment plan. So let's say, for example, you want to go ahead and invest directly. Just click on where you have direct invest right here. And right here on the screen, you'll see the different properties that you can invest your money in on the app. Now, let's start with this one right here where it says you can invest in a property in Liverpool in the United Kingdom. Now, you can see that the minimum investment for this one is $20 and the returns you are getting is 8%. So annually, you'll be getting 8%, but right now it is closed. So if you see an investment that is closed, it means that maybe they are not taking any more investment for that property. So take note of that. If you go to the next one right here, this is another property in Ibadan in Nigeria. For this one, the minimum amount you can invest is 100,000 naira. And for this one, you are getting 50% returns on your money. 50%, that's huge. And you can see right now it is active. So that means that you can invest your money in these assets as at the time of making this video. Let's check some other ones, then I'll go ahead and pick one and show you how to go ahead. So you can see this third one right here. This is another property in Ibadan in Nigeria. And the minimum investment for this one is 10,000 naira. So this one is still lower than this one. So if you have 100,000 naira, you can go ahead to do this. But if you have like 10,000 naira, then you can do this one right here. And you can see the returns you'll be getting is 22% annually. And the status of this one is active. So it means that you can invest in this asset right now. Let's just check one more. This one is in Liverpool, UK. This one is in Lagos State. So this way you can see this one is another one in Nigeria, Lagos State. The minimum for this one is 1 million naira. So it means that maybe if you have more than 10,000 naira, you have more than 100,000 naira, you can invest in this one with 1 million naira. And the returns for this one is 31%. And you can see the status for this one is active. So it means you can also invest in this one right here. So you can go ahead and check different investment right here. Most of them are closed. You can only invest in the ones that have invest now. So you can see like 1, 2, 3, 4. I think those are the 4 properties that are open for investment right now. Now, let's say, for example, you want to go ahead and invest in this property right here. You can just go ahead and click on invest now. But before you do that, let's say, for example, you want to see more about that property, just to know more about it before you invest. Just come here and click on view. And right here on the screen, it will show you the different details you need to know about that property. So you can see this is the image of the property right here in Ibadan. And then you can see, if you scroll down, you see the description of the property right here. So I won't be able to read all of this, but you can see this is the description, everything you need to know about the property right here, the location, and some facts about the property right there. You see it. And then if you scroll up again, it will show you again where you have the minimum investment, which is 100,000 naira. The returns is for 50%. So you are getting 50% returns, which is really high. The category is residential. So the property is a residential property, and the payout style is after maturity. So this means that you can only withdraw your money and your profit at the end of the investment duration, and the duration is for 25 months. So it means that that's about 2 years. So it means that you'll be investing your money for 2 years before you can withdraw your money. And then the status for this is active, so which means that it is open for investment. And you can see if you want to invest in this, you have to do that fast, because you can see right here it says 96% invested. So you have they are taking just little amount of investment right now. So if you want to invest in this, do that as soon as possible. And before you also go ahead, you can also read some FAQs right here, that is frequently asked questions and answers. So you can see right here, the first one says, I am Nigerian, but I don't reside in Nigeria. Can I still invest through Keble? Currently, Keble is only available to Nigerians living in Nigeria and the diaspora, but kindly ensure you are registered, so once Keble becomes available to you, you would be notified. So what this means that if you're a Nigerian and you're living in Nigeria, or maybe you're in the diaspora, you can invest in these properties on the Keble app. So if you want to see other questions right here, like what is Keble, how do referrals work, how do I know real estate investing is for me, how can I check my referrals, what am I investing in, why should I invest through Keble, what are Keble tokens, what valid ID is acceptable on the platform, who is Keble for, where is Keble office located, how long does it take for my investment to mature. So if you want to see answers to all of these things, just go ahead and click on them. You'll see answers to everything right here on the platform. So once you're okay with everything you've seen and you want to go ahead and invest, then you can just come here and click on invest. And right here on the screen, it will ask you for your payment method. So if you want to go ahead and invest through the money in your wallet, you click on this. If you want to go ahead and pay through your Naira card, you can pick the second one. If you want to go ahead to pay or make payment through your Naira bank transfer, you can pick this third one right here. So whichever one you want to do, you go ahead and pick it, and the money will be taken from that account or from that bank account or from that wallet and will be invested in this property for you. So it's as simple as that. And don't forget, always make sure that you read all of these details right here. For example, know the returns, know the duration, and know the payout style. So that's the simple way for you to invest directly on the app. It is simple and straightforward. So like I said, there are other ones right here. If you want to invest in the one with a minimum investment of 10,000 Naira, you can pick this one right here. If you want the one of $100, you can pick this one right here. If you want the one of 1 million Naira, you can pick this one right here. So these are the different properties you can invest in directly on the platform. Now let's go back. Now the second way to invest is where you have auto invest. Now don't forget, for this one I said you can set up an automatic investment whereby Keble will help you invest a particular amount of money maybe every month in a particular property. That's the meaning. So you come here and click on get started. And right here, it will tell you to create a portfolio for yourself. So what would you like to name your portfolio? So you can see different suggestions. You have your master's tuition. So let's, for example, you are trying to do your master's and maybe you want to invest money for it. Then you can just click on this. If you want long-term investment, if you want to name it long-term, just click on long-term. If you want to name it travel plans, maybe you want to invest your money so that it can grow before you make your travel plans, so that you can use the money for your travel plans, you can click on this one. If you want to name it vacation plans, school funds, anniversary, rent, gift, wedding plans, anything at all, you can go ahead. So let's, for example, I want to use long term. So maybe I want to create it for long term investment. I can just name it long term. And the next one is, how often do you want to invest in your portfolio? So it says enable monthly invest, enable one-time invest. Now if you want to do a monthly invest, just click on this one right here. Now the next thing to ask you is select your preferred duration. Now you see that it has different months. You have 4 months, 7 months, 13 months, 25 months, and 37 months. And this month they have different interest rates. So for 4 months, you'll be getting 2% to 4% estimated returns. For 7 months, you'll be getting 4% to 6% estimated returns. For 13 months, you'll be getting 10 to 12% estimated returns. For 25 months, you'll be getting 20 to 23% estimated returns. And for 37 months, you'll be getting 30% to 35% estimated returns. So whichever one you want, just go ahead to click it. So let's, for example, I want to do this one of 13 months. I'll click on it. And then you come here and click on next. Now, the next thing is to choose a payment method. So you come here and pick your Naira card funding and then click on next. And then the next thing is to enter the amount you want to be investing every month. So maybe in Naira, if you want to enter it in Naira, it can be, let's say, 100,000 Naira. Maybe you want to be investing 100,000 Naira every month. That's it right there. And then you click on continue. And then you can see the review of the investment on the screen. So you can see the name of the portfolio is long term. The dividend preference is fixed. So that means that the interest you'll be getting is fixed. And then the amount in dollars is $63. That 100,000 Naira is $63. And the amount invested in Naira is 100,000 Naira. And then you have a processing fee of 2,000 Naira, which is a fee you pay. So the total amount of money you need to transfer is 102,000 Naira. So if I go ahead and click on invest right here, every month they will be taking 100,000 Naira to help me invest in properties, and I will be getting interest on my money. So don't forget, it has fixed interest for the duration you pick. So let me go back to show you again so that you are sure. So you can see it right here. For 4 months again, 2 to 4%. For 7 months, 4 to 6%. For 13 months, 10 to 12%. For 25 months, 20 to 23%. And for 37 months, 30 to 35%. So please take note of this and make sure you know the one you've picked so that you can know the amount of interest you'll be getting at the end of that duration. So that's for the auto invest right there. The next one is where you can buy a home with a flexible payment plan. Now let's check that out. So you come here and click on buy. Now as you can see on the screen right here, it says this feature is now available on the mobile app. So I'll go to my mobile app right now and show you how to use this feature to buy a home or to buy a land with flexible payment plan. So as you can see on the screen right here, I'm on the home page of the Keble app. And if you want to go ahead and buy a home with a flexible payment plan, you come to the bottom side of the screen and click on own, where the arrow is pointing to. And then right here on the screen is where you can see the different properties that you can buy and own with flexible payment plan. So let's start from the first one. So you can see this first one right there. This is a property in Ibadan that you can buy and co-own. So you can see it says co-own right there beside it where I was pointing to. It means that you can own it with multiple people, with different people. It's just something we call fractional real estate, whereby more than one person, let's say 5 people, 10 people, 20 people, depending on how much, can come together and buy a property. And then whatever interest or whatever profit is made from that property, it is shared among the owners of that homes. I hope you understand. So you can see this one, it says is co-own. So that's the meaning. It means that you'll be owning the property with different people. And the monthly price for this one is 511,000 naira. So it means that for you to own this one, you have to be paying 511,000 naira every month. So if you want to know more about this property right here, click on view. And then you can see right here, to tell you the location of the property so that you can know where it is. And if you keep scrolling up, you see different things you can do. Like you can call us. So you can call them just to make more inquiries about the property. You can do a tour video where you can watch a video of the property. You can email us. That means that you can send them an email whereby they will answer your questions about the property. And if you have any questions, just check this FAQ section right here. Now, if you scroll down again, you see where it says property type is home. That means that it is a home. And then you see where you have property title, registered survey. So it has registered survey, and property use is residential. So it is used for residential purposes only. So if you also want to go ahead and see the property features, property insight, market analysis, environmental impact, property document, all of these things, you can see it right here on the app. Now the next thing is maybe you want to see the pricing. So just come here to where it says property pricing. And then you can see it says 1 bedroom apartment. If I click on it, so you can see the property price is 6,132,000 naira. And the initial deposit is 511,000 naira. And you'll be paying that for 11 months. So that means that after 11 months of paying 511,000 naira, you'll be one of the owners of this property right here. That's just the meaning. So I hope you understand it now. So let's go back. You also see for different properties. So you can see you also have this one right here where you have Buckingham is at Alagomeji in Lagos State. And this one too is co-owned. But for this one, you'll be paying 1,684,200 naira every month. The next one is where you have Ibudowura, which is also a co-owned investment. It is located at Lekki Ekpe Expressway, and the monthly price is 350,000 naira. So it means that every month you'll be paying 350,000 naira to own this property. And the next one right here is where you have Palm Grove Avenue at Ibadan, Oyo State. And this one too, the monthly price is 421,000 naira. That's the amount you'll be paying every month. So as not to waste your time, you'll be seeing it for different properties right here. So if you want to own a property or maybe own a land with flexible payment plan, you can do that on the Keble app. So that is the simple way for you to buy a home or a land with a flexible payment plan on the Keble app. So now that you've seen the different ways to invest your money on the app, the next one is your wallet. So if you want to see your wallet right here, come here to have wallet. So right here on the platform, you can see your cash balance in USD. That is the amount you have in your dollar wallet. I can also see your cash balance in your Naira wallet right here. That is the amount of Naira you have in your wallet right there. And then if you want to do some quick actions like top up, so if you want to top up your wallet, you can do that right here. Just click on top up right here. I can see you have two ways of topping up your wallet. So you can do that through your Naira card or through your Naira bank transfer. So any of these two ways, you can fund your wallet on the Keble platform. And then you also have where you can send money to your friends or maybe receive money to your friends. So you can see it says send to Keble user. So if you have the Keble ID of any of your friends, you can send them Keble tokens or you can send them money through Keble. So again, you can just go right here and enter the person's Keble ID and send money to the person. And then if you want to withdraw your money too, let's say you want to withdraw your money from this Keble platform to your bank account, you can do that. Just click on withdraw right here. And then you'll be seeing your bank account right here. So this is my own bank account details that I've added already. And if you want to add your own bank account details, just click on where you have add bank right here and enter your bank details right there. So you can easily transfer money or withdraw money to that bank account any day, anytime. And then the next thing I want to show you is where you have learn right here. So if you come here, this is where you can see different videos or blogs or articles that you can learn something from about the real estate market. So you can see some videos about real estate conversations we need to have, how to earn from Nigerian assets on Keble, top 3 proven ways to make money in real estate, and so on like that. So you also see different blogs right here. So you can go ahead and read them or watch them and learn from them. And then you also have where you have your account details. So just click on where you have account right here. This is where you can see your personal information. You can put in the information of your next of kin, and you can also put in the details of your banks and cards right there. So I'll not be able to show you any of this information right here, but just know that this is where you can see your account details, like your personal information and so on. And then if you want to go ahead and log out, this is where you can click on log out. So that's basically everything about the Keble app. So I've just shown you how you can invest your money in properties on the Keble app, and also how you can make money from real estate on the Keble platform. If you've learned something from this video, please like this video and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We are trying to hit 10,000 subscribers. And also, if you have any investment app you want me to review or make a tutorial about, please let me know in the comment section below. You know, we are currently doing a series where we are talking about different investment apps in Nigeria. So please let us know anyone you want us to talk about in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.